Imagine asking an AI, not just to give you suggestions, but to actually build a website for you. Think about the possibilities, the time saved, and the sheer convenience. Or perhaps you need a mobile app, something tailored to your specific needs, built from the ground up without writing a single line of code yourself. Or even a video, a polished, professional-grade video, ready to share with the world, all created by simply describing your vision. Imagine achieving all of this, all these complex tasks, from a single sentence, a simple instruction. This is now possible with DeepAgent, a groundbreaking innovation developed by Abacus.ai. It's not just a concept, it's a reality. DeepAgent isn't just another AI assistant that answers simple questions or sets reminders. It's an autonomous collaborator, a digital partner that works alongside you to bring your ideas to life. It can understand complex requests, interpret your needs, and execute them from start to finish, managing every detail along the way. It doesn't just answer questions, it acts, taking initiative and driving projects forward. DeepAgent can write code, crafting complex algorithms and software solutions. It can design interfaces, creating intuitive and engaging user experiences, and it can manage entire projects, orchestrating complex workflows and coordinating resources. DeepAgent excels at breaking down big goals into manageable steps and troubleshooting along the way, ensuring projects stay on track and potential problems are quickly resolved. This is a leap beyond anything we've seen in AI, a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology. It's being called the most advanced AI agent ever created, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's tackling tasks once thought impossible to automate, opening up new possibilities for efficiency and innovation. DeepAgent interacts with digital tools in a human-like way, understanding context and adapting to your specific needs. It's constantly learning and adapting in real time, becoming more efficient and effective with each interaction. For small businesses, it's like having a full development team at your fingertips, empowering them to compete with larger organizations. For creators, it means bringing ambitious ideas to life without mastering a dozen tools, freeing them to focus on their artistic vision. The barrier to creation is no longer technical skill, the need to learn complex software or programming languages. It's now about the quality of your ideas, your creativity, and your ability to imagine new possibilities. DeepAgent could finally democratize digital creation, putting powerful tools in the hands of everyone. It's changing our relationship with technology forever, ushering in an era of seamless collaboration and unprecedented innovation. What is DeepAgent's most astonishing feature? It's something that truly sets it apart from the competition. Generating entire, fully functional digital products from a single natural language prompt. Imagine the possibilities. This isn't just about creating simple mock-ups, it's about bringing complete ideas to life with minimal effort. Instead of dealing with piecemeal tasks, juggling multiple tools and facing a fragmented workflow, you give DeepAgent one command, like create a website for a kid's summer camp nestled in the mountains, with an emphasis on outdoor activities. DeepAgent then designs the layout, writes the code, and builds the entire structure, all automatically. It delivers a complete multi-page website with relevant, engaging images and well-written text, ready for launch. This powerful capability extends to mobile apps and even video creation too. Say, build a fashion advisor app that recommends outfits based on user preferences and current trends. DeepAgent designs the user interface, writes the necessary code, handling both front-end and back-end development, and assembles a fully functional, working prototype for immediate testing and feedback. Or, if you need engaging video content, simply say, make a Mars slideshow with dramatic music and compelling narration. It intelligently finds relevant images, automatically writes engaging captions, selects appropriate music to set the mood, and expertly edits the video into a cohesive and captivating presentation. In live demos, DeepAgent didn't just use pre-built templates. It intelligently inferred the need for specific pages based on the context, sourced high-quality images, and wrote compelling, persuasive copy tailored to the specific product or service. The result of this intelligent automation? Polished, professional-grade products that are ready to deploy immediately, saving you countless hours of development time. all generated from a single, simple prompt. This level of contextual understanding, creative problem-solving, and efficient execution is truly groundbreaking, representing a significant leap forward in AI-powered content creation. DeepAgent seamlessly manages, integrates, and harmonizes different media types, design elements, and functional components into one cohesive and polished final product. DeepAgent possesses a remarkable ability. It can learn to use new software with minimal guidance. This capability sets it apart from conventional AI systems, without relying on pre-built APIs or intricate integrations. Instead, it learns just by observing the software's interface and carefully reading its documentation, much like a human being would approach a new program. It's about understanding the underlying logic and functionality. Traditionally, AI systems needed custom integrations, often complex and time-consuming, to effectively use new tools and applications. This was a significant limitation. DeepAgent fundamentally breaks this barrier, ushering in a new era of AI adaptability. It leverages computer vision to see and interpret interfaces, understanding visual cues and elements. It diligently reads help files and other documentation, processing the information and building a comprehensive mental model of how the software operates. This unique approach means it can adapt to virtually any program, regardless of its complexity or specific purpose. From proprietary business tools designed for specialized tasks to the latest creative suites used by artists and designers, DeepAgent adapts instantly. In various demos, DeepAgent has successfully learned to use unfamiliar project management software with ease. It effectively organized tasks, meticulously set deadlines, and accurately tracked progress, demonstrating its proficiency. And it accomplished all of this entirely on its own, without human intervention. It's not just blindly executing pre-programmed commands, it's demonstrating true intelligence. It's actively planning and intelligently managing its workflow to achieve the desired outcomes efficiently. This inherent ability to learn and adapt makes DeepAgent incredibly adaptable, versatile, and future-proof, ready to tackle new challenges. It's analogous to a chef who possesses the skills and knowledge to cook expertly in any kitchen, regardless of its layout or equipment, not just one that is equipped with familiar appliances and tools. This innovative approach is significantly more robust, flexible, and intelligent than relying on traditional API-based systems. DeepAgent's capacity for self-management represents a crucial and significant step toward achieving true AI autonomy and independence. DeepAgent's intelligence comes from its dynamic model switching. Instead of one big model, it uses a suite of specialized models: language, vision, code generation, coordinated by an orchestrator. For each task, it picks the best model, like a craftsman choosing the right tool. This enables full-stack automation. DeepAgent can design databases, write server logic, build interfaces, and connect everything together. It acts as project manager, designer, developer, and engineer, all in one. DeepAgent reasons about system architecture, not just pasting code together. This is why it impresses developers and researchers alike. It manages complex, multi-layered projects as a unified system. DeepAgent's success here is a major breakthrough in practical AI for software and digital creation. DeepAgent opens a new chapter for work and business. Entrepreneurs can launch products faster, small businesses can automate complex tasks, large companies can accelerate innovation. But with power comes responsibility. Security is crucial. An autonomous agent must be protected from misuse. Accuracy matters too. Human oversight is still essential. The job market will shift. Roles will move from execution to strategy and creative direction. Reskilling will be key to working alongside AI partners. DeepAgent is more than a tool. It's a partner that manages entire projects. The barrier to turning ideas into reality is lower than ever. With careful guidance, DeepAgent promises a future rich with innovation and possibility.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.